Good morning, everyone. Welcome all of you to Colonel's Academy and Training Center YouTube channel. Those who are graduate and looking for a central government job, here is the wonderful opportunity to become an Indian Railway employee. Railway Recruitment Board has issued a notification for recruitment of 5,810 vacancies on various trade. I'll explain about the notification so that you will be able to submit the application timely and correctly. The notification has been issued on 4th October 2025. Submission of application start from 21st October 2025. Last date for registration is on 28th November 2025. Date of modification of application is permitted from 23 November 2025 to 2nd December 2025. Now, post under NDPC, Chief Commercial cum Ticket Supervisor, Station Master, Good Train Manager, Junior Accountant, Assistant cum Typist, Senior Clerk cum Typist, and Traffic Assistant. These are the 6 posts declared. Educational qualification, degree from recognized university or its equivalent, and typing proficiency in English/Hindi on computer is essential for specific posts. Now, the pay level and vacancies are as under: Chief Commercial cum Ticket Supervisor, total 161 vacancies, pay level 6, Station Master pay level 6, 615 vacancies, Goods Train Manager pay level 5, 3,416 vacancies, Junior Accountant Assistant cum Typist pay level 5, total vacancies 921, Senior Clerk cum Typist level 5, 638 vacancies, Traffic Assistant level 4, 59 vacancies, total 5,810 vacancies have been released. Now, age limit for general category 18 to 33 years, cut-off date for unreserved and EWS 2nd January 1993, for OBC 2nd January 1990, for SC and ST 2nd January 1988. The minimum age is 18, the cutoff date is 1/1/2008. Anybody born after 2008 is not eligible to apply. Now, age relaxation given for SC and ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, ex-serviceman 3 to 8 years, and person with benchmark disability PWBD 10 to 15 years. These are the relaxation on age. Now, exam pattern for Station Master, for all the 6 categories, CBT stage 1 is compulsory and CBT stage 2 is compulsory for all 6 categories. For Station Master and Traffic Assistant, computer-based aptitude test is compulsory. Similarly, for the Junior Account Assistant cum Typist and Senior Clerk cum Typist, typing skill test is also compulsory. Level 1, that is stage 1 computer-based test. Total duration of exam is 90 minutes. Total number of questions is 100. Out of that, General Awareness 40 question, Mathematics 30 question, and General Intelligence and Reasoning 30 questions. At stage 2, number of question is 120. Duration of exam is 90 minutes only. General Awareness 50 question, Mathematics 35 question, General Intelligence and Reasoning 35 question. So you have to complete the 120 question in the same duration of 90 minutes. Now, examination fees for general and OBC candidate 500 rupees is the examination fees. Out of 400 rupees will be refunded after attaining the examination. And for SC and ST, 250 rupees is the examination fees. Out of that, 250 will be refunded after deducting the bank fees. Now, Colonel's Academy and Training Center, Bangalore, Costown is conducting preparatory training for the railway entrance examination. Those who are interested, you can approach us through the given details. We will give you all assistance to submit the application also, and we will give proper coaching for the examination also. Thank you.